Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to change your Steam username in 2025. So it will be a complete tutorial for you guys, and without any further ado, let's get started. So here, as you can see, we are already in our Steam application in our desktop. So here you just need to be click over here into your profile name. This is my username. So here I will just click over here, and once I click over here, then it will redirect me to that page. Here I will just click on edit profile. Once I click over here, they will redirect me to that page, and here you can see this is the profile name of mine. So here I just want to change my profile name, so I will give it a name that will be We Are Awesome. Here actually you can see, now I will just click to the save. Once I click over here, and now you can see our username already been changed. So this is the easiest way to change your username. I hope you love this video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.